Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video we are going to see how to write a program in Python to print area of rectangle. So let's get started with the video. First of all, let's quickly move to VS Code in order to start writing the program. So first of all, we will create a new file by clicking onto this icon and let the file name be simply code.py. Now let me write down the steps that are required in order to make this program. So let's start with the step 1. So first of all, we basically have to take input, right, as length and breadth, right. Then after this, in step 2, we have to calculate the area actually, and finally in step 3 we need to perform the printing of it, that is, will print the area. So now let's take these steps one by one. So first of all, let's take input of length and breadth, and the way we will do it is let the variable name be length simply, and now we'll use the input function which is there in Python. So we'll write enter the length, and as we know, this function in Python basically returns a string, right? But we know that in this situation we don't want, or we don't expect it to be in string. So we will do what, we will simply cast it, and the type in which we will cast is float. So we'll write like this, and then over here we will cast it. So this is how we will take length as the input, and the same thing we will follow in order to take breadth as input, and the name we will give again the breadth. So our step 1 is over, that is, we have taken length and breadth as the input. Now we'll calculate it, and the way how we do it is, we know that the area of rectangle is length into breadth. So we'll simply write length into, and we know how to do that, and that we perform with the help of asterisk. So we'll write length into breadth. Now this needs to be stored somewhere, right? Because we know if we want to use this thing in the future part of the program, then we need to store it in some variable. So that we will do it with the help of a variable, which we will say simply area. So area is equals to length into breadth. So this again, we are done with the step 2, which is we have calculated the area. Now let's print it simply. So the way we will do it is using the print function. So we'll write the area of rectangle is, and we'll give the variable name which is area. Sorry for the typo. Now let's run it. So the way we will run it is using Python and the file name .py. Now see, it's asking me for the length, let it be simply 10, and it's asking me, okay, yeah, here I did a mistake, I forgot to change the name. Okay, now rerun it. So it's asking me for the length, let it be 10, and it's asking me for the breadth, let it be 10 again. Then see, here it's saying that yeah, it's 100. So this is how we write a program in Python in order to find the area of rectangle. So I hope you understood the things, but still if you have any doubt, then feel free to drop it down in the comment section. We will surely try to solve it as soon as possible. So this was all about the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.